Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the right Google account and have enough storage. This matters because uploads pause when you hit limits. Next, gather your clips into a single local folder and apply consistent names so you can find versions later. Open Drive, Google, Com, or the Drive app. Once there, choose New, then File Upload or Folder Upload. Make sure to select the exact files or folder. This begins the transfer and gives you a progress indicator. Once files are uploading, you'll decide how to organize and share them. Drag and drop speeds up batches. The progress bar shows % uploaded and time remaining. Right-click a file or folder and choose Share to set viewer, commenter, or editor roles. This controls access and collaboration. If you need Google Docs conversion, enable conversion in settings, but keep originals to preserve codecs and quality. Conversion can change formats and increase storage use. Finish by verifying each clip uploaded completely and plays in Drive. Partial uploads show errors. If you manage many or large files, install Drive for desktop to sync automatically and avoid browser timeouts. Once synced, set sharing links or add collaborators as needed. If an upload fails, retry after checking your connection, reduce file size or split long files, and clear browser cache or reboot Drive for desktop. This fixes most issues, so your clips stay accessible and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.